Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best Bouton Optical lens cleaning towelettes. The perfect solution for keeping your lenses spotless and scratch-free. Whether you wear glasses, use camera lenses, or need to clean screens on your devices, this product is designed to deliver superior cleaning performance with convenience and care. The Bouton Optical Lens Cleaning Towelette Dispenser comes as a pack of 4 large dispensers, making it ideal for use in busy environments like offices, stores, or anywhere multiple users might need quick and easy access to lens cleaning wipes. Each dispenser is thoughtfully designed with a durable, sturdy construction that ensures long-lasting use without compromising on quality or functionality. One of the standout features of these towelettes is the unscented formula. This means the wipes are gentle on all optical surfaces without leaving any lingering fragrance that could irritate sensitive eyes or interfere with lens coatings. The towelettes are specifically formulated to be safe and effective for cleaning and protecting optical lenses, providing a streak-free shine every time. The convenient box packaging makes it simple to grab a wipe whenever you need it, reducing the hassle and mess often associated with lens cleaning products. The large size of each towelette ensures thorough cleaning, covering the entire surface of your lenses or screens, removing smudges, fingerprints, dust, and other impurities effortlessly. Designed for high-traffic areas, the dispensers are perfect not just for personal use but also for shared spaces where multiple people need to maintain clear vision and clean optics. This makes them especially practical for opticians, photographers, or tech professionals who require reliable lens care products on hand at all times. The materials used in the wipes and dispenser are carefully selected to withstand frequent handling and maintain their integrity over time. This durability means you won't have to worry about the dispenser breaking or the wipes drying out prematurely, providing excellent value and performance in the long run. In addition to cleaning lenses, these towelettes are safe to use on a variety of optical surfaces, including eyeglasses, sunglasses, camera lenses, binoculars, and even screens on your phones or laptops. Their versatility makes them an essential addition to your cleaning routine, ensuring all your devices remain clear and ready for use. To sum it up, the Bouton Optical Lens Cleaning Towelette Dispenser offers a thoughtful combination of size, quality, and usability. The unscented, gentle cleaning formula protects your lenses while effectively removing dirt and smudges. The durable dispenser design makes it easy to access wipes on demand, suitable for both personal and shared environments. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use lens cleaning solution that keeps your optics spotless and scratch-free, the Bouton Optical Lens Cleaning Towelettes are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.